Do you want to know how you can add your Google account to Otter AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add some Google apps in your Otter AI. Go ahead and open Otter AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on Apps, which is on the left hand side of your screen. After you click on Apps, scroll all the way down and find Google. After you click on Add, your Google Calendar and contacts will be synced with Otter AI. So go ahead and click Add, log into your Google account, go ahead and press Continue to allow access. Scroll down and click Allow as Otter wants access to your Google account. After you click Allow, you can see that Google has now been connected to your Otter AI. Go ahead and reload the page, wait for a while, and you can see that you have now synced in your Google Calendar with the Otter AI system. As you can see, you have added your Google account to Otter AI. I hope this video about how you can add Google account to your Otter AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.